everyone, welcome back. Today I really want to show you how you can make over $100,000 per year with free Google certifications so that you can start working from home. I'm going to show you exactly how you can master some of the most in-demand Google tools out there for free and how you can learn that online at your own pace based on e-learning courses that have been developed by Google product experts. Not only that, but I'll show you exactly how you can also get Google product certified so that you can start making money with these skills. If we take a quick look at Google Trends, you're going to see that the level of interest for Google certifications has skyrocketed over the last couple of years. And this is because more and more companies are looking to hire people like you who are very well versed and skilled into using Google tools, but also who can prove that level of expertise through certifications. So you really want to stick around till the end, because in this video, not only am I going to show you step by step exactly how to get certified for free in these Google tools, but also I'm going to show you where to go and apply for jobs that are hiring right now, that are all work from home jobs or online job opportunities that are looking for people like you who can offer skills and expertise in these Google tools. So make sure you stick around till the end. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Laura, and on this channel I give you guys the best practical advice on where to find work from home jobs, remote job opportunities, and how to apply to them. If that's what you're looking for, then please consider subscribing. I have some really cool videos coming up that you don't want to miss. Also, please do me a huge favor and show some love to the like button. Not only does it help with the YouTube algorithm, but it also gives me more confidence to keep doing what I'm doing and keep putting out videos like this one. Thank you so much in advance. Let's get into the video. All right, so the first thing that you're gonna need to do is head over to Google's Skillshop. So obviously you can go ahead and Google search Google Skillshop, or you can go ahead and click on the link in the description box down below. So when you come to skillshop.withgoogle.com, this is basically the homepage for their entire program. And you can either go and explore the different categories of courses that they offer for free to pretty much anyone who's interested. It does not matter where you're based and which country you live in. Or you can go ahead and head over to Get Certified if you already have the skills and you just want to get the certification. Now, if you're curious what kind of skills you can learn for free, then what you need to do is go ahead and click on Get Started. What you're gonna get is a list of all the topics that you can get skilled in. Now, not all of them are gonna be something that you wanna spend time on. They have Google Ads, Google Analytics, Marketing Platform, YouTube, Waze Academy, Google for Education, Google Ad Manager, Authorized Buyers, and so on. I would definitely suggest is that you at least focus on Google Ads, Google Ad Manager, and ideally Google Analytics. And I'm going to go into details and explain to you why I believe these are really key for you to master if you want to go ahead and make money online and get online jobs, and how you can do that. All right, so let's take Google Ads as an example. So as you come to the Google Ads section, you obviously already see here Google Ads certifications. But if you want to build your expertise, you can go ahead and learn all the things that they show you here in terms of Google Ads search, Google Ads display, Google Ads video, how to build on your Google Ads expertise, how to apply your Google Ads knowledge, and so forth. Now, obviously, you can pick one that you want to specialize in and only go deep and learn that one thing. So Google Ads search, for example, you can go and take all the courses that they offer here. Or what I would actually recommend would be that you try to take as many as you have time and energy and interest in taking, because then you can claim, and you would rightly be able to do so, you can claim that you are fully certified, which is gonna give you a lot more authority. And if you've watched any of my videos on how to get started when you're a beginner in terms of working from home, building that authority is incredibly important, because it's really hard for people to trust that you're going to do a good job if you have no way to prove your authority. And it's hard when you're just starting out. So having these certifications is definitely going to help you tremendously. So try and get as many as you can within that category. So if you choose Google Ads, then go ahead and take as many courses as you can from the Google Ads section. If we go back, you can also go and learn Google Ad Manager, which is going to help you further, expand your knowledge when it comes to Google Ads. Now, let's assume that you will have taken all of these courses, which by the way are free, and I'm going to show you right now how they're going to look like. So you can take this course called Drive Advertising Revenue with Google Ad Manager. It tells you exactly what you're going to be able to know at the end of the course. So you're going to be able to set up an ad manager network. You're going to be able to create inventory, ad campaigns and creatives in Ad Manager, traffic forecast and report on campaigns, manage quality control, manage inventory programmatically, manage ads using rules and protections with Google Ad Manager. So pretty much everything you need to know in terms of how to use Google Ad Manager, you can get through this course, right? And as you can see, it's not gonna take you a long time, because each of these modules is like 12 minutes, 10 minutes, 21 minutes. There's just one that is a little bit longer, 52 minutes, and another one at 45. So literally you can do this in, 2 to 3 hours probably. So you just go ahead and click on Get Started and launch the e-learning course. You will need to log in, but it is for free and it is not going to ask you to pay for anything. Now, let's assume that you've taken the course and you now know everything you need to know about Google Ad Manager. What you need to do is come back to the landing page for Google Skillshop and go and get certified. Okay, so when you go ahead and get certified, you can get the certification in Google Ads, for example. You only need to go ahead and click on Google Ads certifications and then search here for the topic that you want to get certified in and that you feel comfortable getting certified in, and then go ahead and take the test so that you can get the certification that confirms your level of skill and your level of knowledge in terms of that specific topic. Now, obviously, there are certifications that will be a short test. There are others that are going to be a little bit longer, but even the longer ones, we're talking 20 plus minutes. So it's not going to be taking a long time for you. And honestly, if you're really committed to start making money online and start getting jobs on some of these places that I'm going to show you in a minute, then in a weekend, you can pretty much go ahead and learn all of these things and get certified in all of these things that you want to specialize in. So now that we've taken a look at where you can find the courses, how to tap into this incredible pool of free Google courses that are designed by the Google product experts, and how you can get certified for free in these Google products, let's take a look at how you can actually use these skills and the fact that you're certified to make money online. So we're going to show you a few places where you can use these skills to start making money. And it doesn't matter where you're based. So for all of my viewers that are not based in the US or Canada or the UK, do not worry. This applies to you just as much as it applies to everybody else. So let's take a look. So the first place that I'm gonna start with is one that I've mentioned many times before, and that is Upwork. And the reason why I'm gonna mention this one first is because it has the broadest set of job opportunities out there. I really like Upwork, especially for research purposes, because it allows me to show you the level of demand that exists for certain skills or for certain types of jobs. So for today, I've actually gone ahead and filtered for Google Analytics as a skill. And as you can see, there are right now 5,353 open jobs that are looking for people who are specialized in Google Analytics, which, as you've seen, you can learn for free and you can get certified in for free in a matter of hours, basically. So if you want to go even deeper and filter further so that you can get the best jobs that you can possibly apply for, then make sure you go ahead and watch this video where I'm showing you in detail how to do this so that you apply to the right jobs for you. Now, some of you are going to tell me, yeah, but Upwork, although they have so many job opportunities, not all of them will apply to me, or it's going to be really difficult to stand out because obviously they have over 18 million freelancers that are active on Upwork right now. So I get it. It's not as easy to stand out and start getting jobs immediately when you are not experienced or when you're just beginning your journey as a freelancer or to offer this kind of services. So I understand Upwork can be a little bit more difficult. So another place where you can go ahead and find this kind of jobs right now is FlexJobs. And another really, really cool fact about FlexJobs is that they only have vetted job opportunities. So everything that you find on FlexJobs is going to be something that has been pre-checked and pre-vetted by the FlexJobs team so that everything that you will be applying to is 100% legit and 100% trustworthy. One thing that I do recommend if you're going to go ahead and use FlexJobs is to try and get at least 1 month of a paid subscription. It's not a whole lot, and there's a link down below if you want to try that out. You can give it up after the first month, but you will find a lot of value in it and you will get access to a lot better jobs when you are able to do that. Now, if you go to FlexJobs, you just need to type Google Ads or Google Analytics, and as you see, I've filtered here for Google Analytics and work from anywhere because I want to make sure that I cater to all my viewers no matter where you're based. And if you're not based in the USA or Canada or the UK, as I said, that is not a problem. There are tons of jobs that you can still tap into that are basically work from anywhere. And as you can see right now, there are over 1,000 jobs that offer work from anywhere conditions that are specifically targeting people who are knowledgeable and certified in Google Analytics. So definitely go and check out FlexJobs if you want to be able to tap into these hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of online jobs and work from home jobs that are looking for people who are certified in Google Analytics. Now, the third way that you can use these skills to start making money right away is on platforms like Fiverr. And the reason why I really like Fiverr actually, and I've mentioned it this many times before, it's no longer the $5 a gig type of platform. It's really, really evolved tremendously in the last couple of years. The reason why I really like Fiverr is that when you go and create a Fiverr Pro account, and you only need to qualify for the Fiverr Pro account, then you are able to tap into opportunities that will allow you to charge a lot more. So if we go and just search for Google Ads on a regular profile, then as you can see, there are people who are charging 28 francs, or you can consider the franc equal to $1. It's more or less the same thing, but because I'm based in Switzerland, it shows everything in my own currency. So $28, $19, $28, $86, $57. So although these are not bad rates, and as you can see, these people have definitely made quite a bit of money, because if they get 65 testimonials, then they probably did at least about 500 jobs. Or this person got 148 testimonials, which means they probably did, I don't know, about 1,000 jobs, because usually you get 1 in 10 or 1 in 5 people you work with to give you a testimonial on Fiverr. So pretty good demand for sure. But if you go to Fiverr Pro and go ahead and type for the same, so let's say Google Ads, first and foremost, it gives you suggestions. So you can go for Google AdWords, you can go for Google Ads Expert, Google Ads Manager, Google Ads Account. There is a lot of demand for anything related to Google Ads, to be honest. Let's go for the generic term, okay? And now you see where it's at, because there are people charging $239 or $146 or $861 and so on and so forth for jobs that you would absolutely be able to do yourself when you go through the free training that I showed you and when you get your Google certification. Maybe you won't have the confidence to go after, this kind of jobs from the beginning, but once you do a few of them and you've got some under your belt, you're gonna definitely be able to go even further. Now, this is something that allows you to tap into a huge pool of demand worldwide. And the reason why I really like these platforms is that they open the door for you to get leads anywhere in the world, and they don't limit you to your own community or your own state or country or city, wherever you live in. Now, if you want to have a face-to-face or personal interaction with the people you work with, you can definitely do that within your own community, because pretty much any small business will need to use Google Ads in order to promote themselves on Google and be able to draw in more people. And I'm talking here about your beauty salons and your pet groomers and your pizza shops and pretty much any mom and pop shop. Any small business or entrepreneur will want to have an opportunity to bring in more leads and generate more sales. And they often use Google as a way to generate more traffic, more, eyeballs onto their online presence or more feet into their store. And if you have the certification and you're trained in Google Ads, you can absolutely go ahead and promote yourself among your local community if that makes you feel a lot more comfortable and if it makes you have the confidence to go ahead and offer your services with very little risk, because at the beginning you don't even need to charge necessarily for your services. You can just charge for the amount that they want to put in the retainer and invest in Google Ads. Afterwards, once you've been able to prove the impact and the outcome of your services, then you can evolve your offering and be able to charge more for your services, because you will also be able to commit to an outcome, commit to a result that you can generate for those companies. And they will be absolutely willing to pay you to manage their ad budget and make sure that you optimize their Google Ads in order to generate more traffic into their business. So definitely, this is something that you can learn for free, get certified for free, and get started for free right now and start making money online and start working from home from the comfort of your own place without having to be in the 9-to-5 environment, and have the flexibility to do whatever you choose to do and to work with whoever you choose to work with. Alright, you guys, that was it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Like this video if you liked it, be sure to subscribe if you haven't done so, and also share with a friend who might also be interested in these free Google certifications and making $100,000 or more per year. I'm sure they'll be incredibly grateful, as am I, and as a sign of my gratitude, here's a picture of a very cute hedgehog. You're welcome. With that being said, I hope you create everyday magic. I hope you have a lovely day and a lovely week, and I hope to see you next time here on Superhumans, the place to be if you're looking to create a fabulous career and master your life. Till next time, bye!